Hey everyone, Neil here with Post to Post. The Carolina Hurricanes versus the New York Rangers in round two, the first series that we're going to get to see today. By the time you watch this, the game would have already started. I'm filming this before the game. It's about an hour away, basically, when I'm filming this. But I'm conflicted with this series. I don't know what to predict. I don't know who to cheer for. I don't know what to think. I feel like both of these teams are very evenly matched in basically like every category, whether it's offensively, defensively, goaltending. Like, they just seem to be on the same level. Not only just on paper, but also like in my heart, in my mind. Like, I like both of these teams. Both of these teams are filled with players that I really, really enjoy. I like both of the goalies. I like the coaching staff of both teams. I don't know. I feel so conflicted with this series, and I'm trying to be an outsider looking in and trying to be as objective as possible and trying to think logically. But that's not helping me. Like, I don't know who to cheer for. Like, that's the truth. I have no idea. I don't want to cheer against any of the teams, and I don't really want to cheer for any of the teams either. Like, I like both of these teams. Does anyone else feel this way? Like, if you're not a Rangers fan or you're not a Hurricanes fan and you cheer for someone else and you just like hockey, you're just going to watch hockey because you love hockey, who are you cheering for? I feel like there may be others who feel kind of like I do. Like, there's no reason to hate the Rangers. There's no reason to hate the Hurricanes. So who do we cheer for? The Rangers are a good team. They had some opportunities in the last couple of years to go deep. Carolina had some opportunities to go deep, but neither have made the finals. So it's not like, oh, you had your chance last year and you kind of blew it. Or, like it's, let the Carolina, you had your chance, let the Rangers try. Or like there's not even any of that. So I feel incredibly conflicted here. I think this is going to be an amazing series. I think the most shocking thing that could happen in these playoffs, or maybe we'll say round two, is that there's a blowout in one of these games. I suspect every single game in this series, whether it goes 4 games or 5 games or 7 games or whatever, I have to think that every one of these games is going to be a 1-goal game. That's truly how I feel. I feel like these are two very evenly matched teams. Maybe there'll be a 2-goal deficit on one of these games or something, but I don't know. I just don't see like a 5-1 or a 7-3, or like I don't see that blowout style of game. They're just too good. Like, both of these teams are just too good. So I don't know. I feel so conflicted. I don't know what to say. I wanted to make this video and talk about a prediction or whatever, but I don't have that. So I was like, oh, well, should I even make this video? So I guess the point of this video is to really get your feedback. Who are you guys cheering for, and why? Or are you in the same boat that I'm in? So I don't know. I'd just be very curious your thoughts in this series. Like I said, short videos for these series previews. I'll be doing what's next? Boston, Florida is probably the next one, and there's obviously some others as well. So yeah, let's have fun watching this game one, and we'll see what happens. And maybe I'll be wrong with the blowout thing, and maybe game one, the game that's on right now, will be a blowout. But I don't know. We'll wait and see. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. If you did enjoy this video, hit the like button. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. We'll talk to you soon. Adios.